salita. I want you to say, padool diri gamay para makasabot. I want you to say abracadabra. Abracadabra. Tarungag sulti ina abracadabra. Abracadabra. Kuwang dapat na ay feelings. Say abracadabra with feelings. Abracadabra with feelings. Hindi mo o ninyo. Ayaw butangin with feelings dong. Kailangan abracadabra ra. Go! Abracadabra. Alright, because ladies and gentlemen, when Kuya says abracadabra, look what happens. There is now a drawing. Papakingin yung magic, bro. Very good. Now this time, I want you to say Mark Guapo. Mark Guapo. Guapo ko di. Guapo. Ikaw, guapo ka di. Di. Alright, ladies and children, when Kuya says he is handsome, look what happens once again. There is now a color. Wow! Pero wala pa tanaguman. Ang mga kids ni-request silang animals. So, I want you to think of any animals and then we will produce it inside the magic book. Sige, paghuna-huna o bisa-ulsa nga animals. Go! Tiger. Tanaw nimo ang tiger masod sa libro. Hoy, kana lang simple, kanang cute, kanang mulupad. Oh, sige. Pag nag cute, kanang mulupad. Go! Butterfly. Langgam ra akong gidabi. Ay napagita kain. Unsay ganahan nimo? Langgam. What color? Blue. Puti ra. In a white bird appear. White bird appear. Bear. Bird. Kung tarong kag sulti kay masipya ta ina. White bird appear. White bird appear. Alauna.